Hello everyone, welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making an amazing Indo-Chinese twist, Aloo Manchurian. Crispy potato bites, tossed in spicy tangy sauce, a perfect snack for any mood. Start by grating 2 raw potatoes. Aloo Manchurian is a fun fusion of Indian spices and Chinese flavor. It's a vegetarian twist inspired by the classic chicken Manchurian. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Then wash with water and squeeze out all the excess water. Always squeeze potatoes completely dry before frying to keep them crispy. Now transfer to a plate. Add 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon green chili, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 2 tablespoon corn flour, and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. This dish first became popular on Indian street food stall in the 1980s. It's loved for its crispy texture and bold spicy flavor. And make small shapes. Add corn flour gradually for perfect binding. Fry in medium heated oil until golden and crispy. Fry in medium heat. Too hot oil can burn the crust. Now in another pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 green chili. Now add 2 tablespoon onion. Saute for 30 seconds. And 3 tablespoon capsicum. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Potatoes are a great source of energy and potassium. Ginger and garlic help improve digestion. Add the fried potato balls and saute for 1 minute. Toss the potatoes gently in sauce to keep them crunchy. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Capsicum is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Homemade sauce mix means less oil and no preservative. And that's it, crispy, spicy and full of flavor Aloo Manchurian. Perfect for evening snacks or even party starters. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments, do you like dry or gravy style Manchurian?